Hello, dear learners. Macbeth, the most tragic character created by William Shakespeare. Macbeth, this character is very famous as well as it is well known to all of us. Dear learners, we are going to discuss all about the story, plot, and the characters in this story. Look at the board. I have written there famous characters Macbeth, then Duncan. Macbeth and Duncan. Duncan is the king of Scotland, and Macbeth, this is also a famous character, famous personality, who is general and Thane of Glamis. At the same time, there is Banquo, good friend of Macbeth, and Banquo is also another general in the empire of Duncan. Duncan is very noble, a good king, generous king, and his nobility is known to all. At the same time, there is another character, Lady Macbeth. Macbeth's wife, Lady Macbeth, she is also the main character in the story. At the same time, Malcolm Donalbain, these are the two sons of Duncan. Next, Fleance, Fleance is the son of Banquo, and Macduff, another Thane. Like Macbeth, Macduff is also a Thane, and the name of the place is Fife. Okay, in this way, these are the main characters. After this, there are three characters. These are weird sisters and their spirits. That is, weird sisters and their masters are spirits. Okay, this is the story, and all about the story there is a good saying: foul is fair, fair is foul, and foul is fair. Okay, what is fair and what is foul? We will understand here. Macbeth defeated some enemy soldiers and he was returning with Banquo. He was returning to Scotland. When they were triumphant, they defeated the enemy soldiers, they protected their country, therefore, they were happy. On the way, they met these weird sisters. They were like witch. They were like witch and they were now talking with Duncan and Banquo. They were prophesying, they were foretelling future of Macbeth. When Macbeth won a battle, therefore Macbeth would be given honor. Macbeth would be honored by King Duncan. And this time, these weird sisters sparked the ambition of Macbeth. They told Macbeth would be the king of Scotland. At the same time, they also told that Macbeth would be undefeated, that is, nobody will be able to defeat Macbeth. At the same time, Macbeth was honored with Thane of Cawdor. Okay, and with this honor, with this title, Macbeth was quite ambitious. Okay, when they returned, Duncan wanted to honor them. By this time, Duncan was ready to come to Inverness. Look here, this is the fort Inverness. This is the palace. It is Macbeth's palace, and Macbeth informed Lady Macbeth. Lady Macbeth was informed all about this glory of Macbeth, and Lady Macbeth was highly ambitious. He wanted to fulfill the ambition their target, their goal. What was it? That is, Duncan was the king. Duncan would be no more king, and Macbeth would be king. How is it possible when Duncan is alive? Is it possible? It is possible. That was the plot. That was the plot of Lady Macbeth. Lady Macbeth conspired that Duncan would be killed, and Duncan would be killed by Macbeth. Therefore, they were conspiring. They targeted Macbeth. Macbeth, that is Lady Macbeth, told Macbeth to kill Duncan, where in their palace fort Inverness, and it was highly decorated, highly illuminated, and Lady Macbeth, they were host and hostess. They were celebrating their win, their triumph. At this time, when they were there, that is, Duncan was quite tired at that night, and he wanted to take rest. And this was the time when Lady Macbeth wanted to kill Duncan. When she went there, she found something strange. What was the strange? That is, Duncan resembled her own father, Lady Macbeth's father. Therefore, Lady Macbeth could not kill. When Duncan was sleeping and there were two attendants, Lady Macbeth wanted to fulfill the heinous work, that is, most hated work, but she could not do. So she returned and wanted to inspire Macbeth to kill Duncan. Okay, but Duncan was such a noble person. He was also unable to perform this one, unable to kill Duncan, because Macbeth was very noble also. As a general, Macbeth was very brave, honest, and generous. At the same time, Duncan also is also related with Macbeth. That is, Macbeth was close relative of Duncan. So, how can Macbeth complete his his honor? That is, what was done, whatever happened, or Macbeth became general at the same time. Then, whatever the honors are there, it was only possible for King Duncan. But now Macbeth is ready to kill Duncan. Is it possible? Therefore, he was very much afraid. But Lady Macbeth would not leave. Lady Macbeth would not give up. He wanted to inspire Macbeth to perform this heinous work, this bad work, this evil ambition. However, Macbeth was very much charged, and he performed the work, the evil work. That is, he killed Duncan. After this, Lady Macbeth smeared the blood of Duncan with the two attendants so that they will be blamed, they will be guilty, they will be the murderer. Okay, that happened, and they were showing, Macbeth and Lady Macbeth were showing false cry that king was dead. Okay, after this there is the another plot, that is, after this Macbeth's death, Macbeth's two son, sorry, Duncan's death, Macbeth wanted to also kill Duncan's two sons, that is Malcolm and Donalbain, but they fled. They ran away to England and Ireland. Malcolm went to England and Donalbain went to Ireland. There they took shelter. Okay. After this, there is another plot. That is the plot. Macbeth was quite worried about the prophecy of the weird sister, because weird sister told that Banquo would be happier than Macbeth. Banquo would not be able to become king, but his predecessors, that is his heirs, his son would be the king. Therefore, Macbeth also wanted to kill Banquo and his son, that is Flints would be killed and Banquo would be killed. That was the ambition of Macbeth. But Flints managed to flee, that is, ran away, but Banquo was killed. Macbeth employed the murderers and they killed Banquo. Banquo was very honest. Banquo was also a good friend of Macbeth. After this, all these the murders, all these evil works, Macbeth and Lady Macbeth was quite sick, torment, tormented. They were only afraid of their own position. At the same time, they were very much unhappy because they did some evil deeds, evil performances. So they were very much worried. Sometimes they would be losing sense. At this time, what happened? That is, Macbeth was quite worried about his future, so he wanted to meet the weird sisters again. Why? If there is any problem, if Banquo would be Banquo's son, that is Flints, would be next king. Therefore, he was quite worried. He wanted to meet the weird sisters, and when he met them, they were calling their master, that is spirits. In this situation, in this episode, we have come to know the spirits, they would tell Macbeth that he would not be killed. Why? Because the spirits told that Macbeth would not be able to, Macbeth would not be killed because there is no one who has taken birth, who was born normally from mother's womb. This was the prophecy of the weird sisters. So Macbeth was quite sure he would not be killed. At the same time, the weird sister told that there are two things, that is, woods of Birnam and Dunsinane Hill. They told that when this wood of Birnam would come to Dunsinane Hill, then Macbeth would be killed. But it is possible? Is it possible? It is impossible. Therefore, Macbeth was quite sure he would not be killed. After this, all the people came to know what happened and what was going on. That is, when Banquo was killed, people of the country, they came to know who is true and who is wrong, who is guilty and who is innocent. And all the people were now doubting the innocence of Macbeth and Lady Macbeth. Therefore, there was again conspiration. The people were trying to dishonor Macbeth. So Macbeth was quite worried. Lady Macbeth was very much worried, and in this way, Lady Macbeth committed suicide. When Lady Macbeth was not there, Macbeth wanted to confine himself in a fortress above the hill. Okay, there he would be protected, and there would be his army. And he was watching whether all the other people like Donalbain, Malcolm, Flint, they would be coming. Macbeth would be able to count who are there. Macbeth would be able to count the armies. This was the policy. So he was in a fortress on the hill. After this, one day the soldiers of Macbeth informed that is Birnam Woods. It is proceeding. It is coming to Dunsinane Hill. Is it possible? It is possible. That is, weird sister, they foretold their prophecy. It was going to happen. How was it? That is, Macduff, the Thane of Fife. He was proceeding, he was approaching, he was coming to attack Macbeth with the help of Malcolm and Donalbain. From there, they were coming. By this time, Macduff instructed the soldiers to take a bunch or a boughs of the trees, so that they would be hued with green color. They would be colored with green. Why? This was the policy of Macduff. Macduff knew Macbeth was very much strong, and nobody would be able to defeat him. Therefore, there must be suitable planning. The suitable planning is that is the soldiers of Macduff hewed themselves with grain so that Macbeth would not be able to count the number of soldiers. And the soldier of the army of Macbeth, they found that Birnamut's these woods, it is approaching to Dunsinane Hill. Okay, that was the prophecy. It had come true. Macbeth was quite worried. Macbeth was quite weak. But when he remembered that no person, no man of mother's womb would be able to kill him, that was the last strength. But this time Macduff approached and they were fighting. That is a short battle. That is, Macbeth was fighting devastatingly, and he was fighting to meet Macduff. When he came to Macduff, he wanted to only inform that Macbeth wanted to inform that he must return because he would not be killed, because no person, no man of woman's womb would be able to kill him. And in this time, Macduff also announced that he was not born of natural birth. That is, he was taken out from his mother's womb untimely. With this information, with this news, Macbeth was totally disheartened. Macbeth was totally afraid. He lost his strength. He was very much weak, and that happened. That is, Macduff jumped and beheaded Macbeth. In this way, Macbeth died, and there Malcolm, this elder son of Duncan, he was announced the king. In this way, they are established law, they are established justice, and there was the tragic fall of Macbeth. And with this tragic fall, in Scotland, people were happy because Malcolm, the elder son of Duncan, became king again. And Malcolm was very much honest, justice, and he also loving to all. In this way, there is the end of the tragedy Macbeth. And more about Macbeth we will discuss in the next class. I will discuss some questions. So remember to subscribe the channel so that you can come to my classroom and listen to the discussion, and you will learn more questions and answers. Thank you all.